Oha gozaimasu. Right now we're heading to a dollar store. Since Dean is at school, we're free to do anything we want. Please, Dean will go crazy for this. Coloring and activity book. I'll take one. Hi.
Hey.
Let's see what you got. Alright. Perfect. Cheap. All for $1. $1 for $1. For $1. For $1. Oh, ice cream scoop. It's not bad. This micro USB to Type-C adapter just for $1. I'll get this and I'll try it. We'll see if it works or not and how long it'll last.
Right?
Yeah, those are good. 3 for what? 3 for 12? Not bad, huh? It's for girls, obviously. Oh, I like this one. This is my style. Adam Levine? Huh. Tight. Boo.
I'm looking for PJ pajama.
Oh. Stop texting and feed me. It's funny. Rocking the milk up. Party at, what is this? Party at my crib. That's funny. I was born awesome. Oh, I was born awesome. What? I still live with my parents. Party like a rock star. Party.
Ew.
That is funny. $25 for this. So regular is 100, now for 25. Nice. This is for $10. Kid is skinny. Free hot cocoa for kids on rainy days. That's nice. Alright, we're having lunch. It's In-N-Out, of course. It's my idea. I'll take the blame. It's okay. I wanted it In-N-Out.
If we eat In-N-Out, it's always your request.
Of course.
It ain't mine.
Can't go wrong with In-N-Out. Ever. We're home and time to test this adapter. Let's see if it works or not. What's it? Oh, charging. We'll see for how long this thing gonna last. I hope it lasts for a while. Watch your fingers, honey.
Honey bunny.
Alright, today we're making a Philly steak sandwich. So first we're gonna... Oh, she gonna. I don't know why I said we. Alright, so she gonna cook the... Hey! She gonna cook the onions. Dean, stop it. What's wrong with you, man?
You're so mean.
I'm so mean. You're the one who was turning off the light. Bell peppers?
Yeah.
3 kinds?
The greens too.
Yeah, that's how we do it. This is how we do it. Garlic. Increase the heat. And we sauteed the whole thing. And that's Dean's pesto. Chicken
pasta.
pesto pasta. Chicken pesto pasta.
Why we make pesto at home?
Because
The one they sell in store has nuts in it.
Is that right?
Pine nuts, I guess.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. And this has basil, chard, spinach, kale.
4 things.
My
4,
baby
5, 4.
have his favorite food with veggies.
There you go. Homemade, mama made. Alright, and add the meat. So this is shaved meat that we got it from Trader Joe's. Already shaved. Like that. Nice.
How was you?
There you go. A little bit of pepper. A garlic powder. Gather it around. Boom. Put a lid on it and let it cook slowly. Boom. This is how it's gonna look like.
You wanna taste it first?
Sure, give me a small piece. Yes.
Yeah, this.
A little bit.
It's fine?
Yeah. Fine.
Okay. Now you smell high now?
Yeah, something now. Something
Because of
missing.
the cheese.
Okay. Good, good. Ooh, we're having French fries too. Nice. So my job here is done. What? I helped out.
Okay, Daddy is busy with Dean. I added, where is it? The American cheese. And a little bit of Monterey Jack. Yeah. Should be good. This French fries from Trader Joe's. It doesn't really work well with air fryer, so I have to fry it. Yeah, yum.
Dinner is served. Look at this. Philly steak sandwiches with side of fries. Homemade. Authentic. Except that. It's dinner time. Probably I should stop here and say thank you for watching. And I'll try to vlog as much as I can. Yep. Peace. We're out.